Hi everyone. Let's see. Am I live? Hi everyone. Welcome. Welcome to the first day of your 30-day hair growth challenge. I am super excited to get started with you. I am super excited to go ahead and watch our sister queens grow their hair out with us. What you can expect in the next 30 days of this 30-day hair growth challenge is that we are going to give you all of the tools and knowledge you need to get your hair in the optimum, perfect condition for it to grow. So, in the next 30 days, you have already received the products, and in the next 30 days, we're going to show you not only how to use these products, these double beauty products, but also how you can take care of your hair in the best natural way so that your hair can continue to grow even after these 30 days are over. So, what you have received is three products. You've received the split ends remedy. That's like the first step in the routine. Then you have received the conditioner, the cleansing conditioner, which you're going to be using in the shower instead of shampoo. And you have received the Cocoa Dream treatment, which is a hair oil treatment based on Manoi de Tahiti, which is Manoi oil. So what you can expect in the next 30 days is a lot of videos and valuable content from us where we are going to teach you things and show you how to use them. Also, we're going to do updates, live updates with you where we kind of track our improvements, so to say, and where we can actually interact with each other. So if I'm right, you have already seen or watched the video where Chanaz is actually um, doing these three products from the 30-day hair growth kit on her hair, and now it's time for you to do it. So that's going to be the first step of the day. But before we get started, let me just say this. It's important to create the right circumstances for your hair to take on and take in all of that amazing moisture and treatments we are going to be giving it over the next 30 days. So that's why I say the first time only you are allowed to use a shampoo, a sulfate-free shampoo, just to get rid of all of the buildup you've had on your hair from using maybe mineral oils, maybe you've been using products with silicones in it. So there's a lot of products that that create buildup on your hair, and these are products that are marketed for curly hair or afro curly hair. So, but that does not mean that they are actually good for your hair. They can create buildup on your scalp and your hair, and that kind of prevents moisture from getting in. So the first time only you can use a sulfate-free shampoo, or if you have a lot of buildup, I do recommend to use a detox treatment, which you can find on our website as well, a detox kit. But make sure it's gentle and it does not strip your hair out. And this is only before the first time you're going to be doing this hair treatment for the next 30 days. In the next 30 days, do not use any shampoo. Plus, there are a couple of other important things we need to remember for the next 30 days, which is there are a couple ingredients you want to be avoiding in your hair growth. So, in the next 30 days for your hair growth, you want to be avoiding any styling products. In general, styling products contain alcohol or they contain silicones to give it that shine, so to say. Um, some very popular styling products contain parabens, which are all like not good for your hair, but they may also actually be bad for your health as well. So that's important to notice. The next 30 days, just to see the like the best possible hair growth and the best possible hair condition, we're going to be avoiding all styling products. And because we're going to be focusing on the condition of your hair, so everything that we are doing with our hair is going to be for it to be healthier and moisturized. So I have to just encourage you to use these next 30 days to just work on the condition and not as much on the look, because once the condition of your hair is healthy and optimal, then you will see you need less styling products, and you will just have more beautiful hair without using anything. Okay. So, without further ado, before we start, it's also important to measure. We want to know where we are now and where we're going to be in 30 days. So, in general, our hair grows about 1 inch a month. So, we are expecting to see at least 1 inch in the next month. So, but to know if it's actually working for us, we have to measure, and we can only measure with actual measuring tape or any measuring tool you can use depending on the length of your hair. But you have to write it down, and you have to know where you're starting with, and preferably take pictures so that after these 30 days you can actually look at the before pictures and see how much your hair has progressed in the 30 days. So I'm going to be doing this with you. I have not done this, so to say, this treatment for 30 days in a row where I feel like, okay, now I know how it works for my hair. So Chanaz has, and she's had amazing results. And I'm very, very excited to get these same results. So yeah, let's get started. I have to measure my hair. Literally, I have not done a lot with it. All I've done this week is a detox because I did feel like I needed it to have the optimum condition of my hair. So now I'm just going to measure it, and I'm kind of excited to measure it, but also kind of nervous. Um, so yeah, you can tell I have not done much with my hair. I'm going to do that today. So now let's start with the measurement. Okay, important things for measuring is you need a measuring tape or any measuring tool, because oftentimes we think we know where our hair or how long our hair is, but we actually don't really um, know, and to make sure we follow the growth, we need to know where we're starting. Okay, so let's start. You're gonna have to take one part of your hair because we have different lengths in our hair. We're going to have to take one part which is easy to measure. So I'm gonna take one from the bottom, and then I'm going to do it from the top of my left ear, and that's the part I'm going to measure, just so it's easy to kind of know if I'm tracking the right. Okay. So it has to be the same hair strand basically you're measuring. So I'm doing left ear. You can see it starts at the top of my left ear. Let me take this measuring tape, put it over my left ear, and then I need to stretch my hair as well with the measuring tool. Stretch it, make sure it stays at the right spot. Put it down, not up, not diagonal, but really down. Okay, so let me see how it ends. Okay. Yeah, I think this is about right. Okay, don't get stuck in my hair. Right. My finger is still on the same spot. Okay. This is where it is. So depending on if you're doing inches or centimeters, it is 44 centimeters, which is about 17 1/4 inches. So that's where my hair is starting out. We're going to be doing the same, exact same part of measuring my hair when this challenge is over. So please use anything you have. It doesn't really matter what you use to measure it with. But yeah, make sure you measure it today. And you have to take pictures. Take pictures from the front where you put your hair like this. Okay. I'm gonna ask Chanaz to take this print screen for me because those are going to be my kind of before pictures. That's it. This one, this side is a bit longer, I see. Okay, that's the before. Okay, and then we're going to do the sides. And then we're going to have to do the back as well. Okay. Now it's important, I think, to kind of stretch out your hair from the back as well. Grab the middle part of your hair. Keep your head straight, where your neck is relaxed but straight. And pull your hair down. And then this, it's like waist length, so to say, is where my hair is right now. So I hope you guys caught all of that. Okay. So that's going to be our measuring for today. In the next 30 days, make sure to actually avoid styling products. And there's more ingredients we're going to tell you about which to avoid in the next 30 days. Chanaz is going to give you more information on that tomorrow. And you will be receiving everything in the email because that's the easiest way for us to make sure you are not missing out on any information we're giving you. So we're going to be sending you most information per email with links to what you can do that day. This is not going to take a lot of time, girls, because we're only going to do the whole treatment routine either once or twice a week. And then during the next 30 days, during every day, basically, we're just going to do some maintenance, which will take you less than 5-10 minutes. Okay, so if you don't know what to do with your hair, if you're not using styling products, here are some ideas you can do. Put your hair in twists and just put up your twists in a bun, or you can do what I just did, is have your hair in a high bun and buy one of those cute hair bands you can use. What else can you do? You can braid your hair, twist your hair, put it in a bun, just anything to kind of not, touch your hair too much. So you can see or Google on YouTube or whatever protective hairstyling, but not with any fake hair, so to say, not with any weaves or braids like fake braids, because we need to make sure our hair stays accessible over the next 30 days. Okay, ladies, if you have any questions, you can ask them in our private Facebook group. If you want it to be public but still private with only women that are in the same boat, Chanaz will share the link with you to make sure you know where to find this private Facebook group. It's Natural Beauty Talk. So that's where you can ask your questions. But let me say this, we are available during the next 30 days to answer any of your questions personally as well. So you can just text us or DM us on Facebook. You can DM us on Instagram. We will answer your questions in usually a few hours, but at least like a day for sure. Okay. So if you have any doubts, if you have any questions, or you need any additional information, just let us know, because we will make sure we can support you as much as we can. Because we are grateful for you that you have joined our challenge. We are grateful that thanks to you, we get to do what we are doing, and we are like super passionate about it. So we are very happy that you joined us and you put your faith in us. So we're here for you, and we're definitely returning the energy and the effort to make sure we can support you the best way we can. Okay, so make sure DM us, let us know what you need, because maybe there are other women like you needing the same things, and if we don't know, we can't help. So please do feel free to DM us with any questions. Okay, I'm going to start my split ends remedy. And you know like I said, watch Chanaz's video. It's here on Facebook, and it's on YouTube, on how to actually do the split ends treatment, and then the co-wash with the cleansing conditioner, and then the treatment with Cocoa Dream. So yeah, that's it, ladies. I hope you are just as excited as we are. Measure, 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 so we know the results and we can track the results. Post them in the Natural Beauty Talk Facebook group, so we can actually support each other and kind of monitor each other, like, hey, how are you doing, and how much results did you get? So let's let's stay connected, and let's not just stay connected with each other, you and us, but also with the other women in this challenge. So please do join the Natural Beauty Talk private Facebook group, which is like a safe environment for us to connect and to talk with each other. And yeah, you can post your pictures in there, or at least post the number of inches or centimeters your hair is right now, so we can all go back and see how much not just our own hair grew, but from all of us in the challenge. So I'm excited, ladies. I hope you are just as excited, and I hope you're ready to get this hair growth on. And yeah, see you tomorrow.